If your vehicle does not look like this, see your owner's manual for more information. The headlight switch is located on the lever on the left side of the steering column. To turn on your front parking lights, tail lights, license plate light, and instrument panel lights, turn the headlight switch to this position. To turn on the front headlights, turn the switch to this position. All other lights will stay on. To turn on your high beam headlights, push this lever forward. You'll see a blue indicator light illuminate. Pull it back towards you to return to low beam. The blue indicator light will turn off. To make your high beam headlights flash on and off, pull the lever toward you and release it. Fog lights create a wide beam pattern, focused lower than the headlights. This minimizes reflected light and helps you see better in foggy conditions. To use the fog lights, your headlights must be on and low beam selected. Move this switch to this position and your fog lights will come on. Move the switch to the off position to deactivate the fog lights. If you turn the high beam headlights on, the fog lights will automatically turn off. If your vehicle is equipped with the intelligent auto headlight system, you can preset the headlights to automatically operate based on exterior lighting conditions. To activate this system, move the headlight switch to the auto position and push the power switch to the on position. To turn the system off, turn the headlight switch to any other setting. The intelligent auto headlight system will also keep the headlights on for a period of time after you push the power switch to the off position. There is a light sensor that controls the system above the inside mirror. Keep this area clear of stickers and other material. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.